Want to get rid of the stubborn belly fat? No need to feel frustrated. This natural fat-burning drink is more effective at burning the extra fat deposits around the body and flushing out excess water from your system. Having excess belly fat poses a serious threat to your health. Getting fat around the middle age or before creates a strong risk factor for heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. Plant-based diet is an important choice for all those who wants to live a healthier life. It will improve the functioning of all vital organs, and at the same time, melt the belly fat. Always choose fresh and organic ingredients when preparing a drink, which will give you extra benefit to slim down, like I showing in this video. Add this drink in your daily routine, detox your body, and get rid of all the toxins trapped within your body. Prepare this drink for several days, drink it regularly, and lose belly fat overnight. Now, carefully watch the ingredients I am using in this weight loss drink. You can note down as well. 2 apples, 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 10 pieces of mint leaves, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, 2 liters of water. At first, slice the apples, orange, and lime into pieces and put them into the water. Then add the chopped mint leaves, grated ginger, and cinnamon, and finally, squeeze the lemon into this. Blend well, and the drink is ready to take. All of this instruction above is compatible with 2 liters of water, which can create at least 3 glasses of drink. It depends on the taste of yours, but don't skip any ingredients from this list. Drink it at least 2 glasses during the day, but make sure you drink this in the evening period, and another 1 glass before sleep to boost the metabolism overnight. This drink speeds up the metabolism during sleeping period and loses the belly fat fast.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming useful videos. Thank you for watching.